Everyone, it's the slogan here. If you're looking for free websites where the rich or kind people literally give away free money, then you're in the right place. I understand that finding money online to solve your problem can be very hard, and sometimes you want to give up. But don't worry, because today I'm going to share with you 13 websites where the rich or kind people literally give away free money. The first website is Crowdfundr. This is a website where you sign up and you can raise funds for whatever you need. So if you have a project coming up or a business or you're launching a product, then this is the website that you can use to raise those funds. So if you really have a good idea and you have some sort of charity, some sort of community project, and you need funding for it, then this is a great place for you to start. This one has raised 21% and there are some days left. So if you click on any other, you can get more details on the actual project. Then the target for this is, as you see, they have received those sums, and I think it's literally their target. There are still some days left, so definitely they will be hitting their target and probably going over here. So if you have some sort of cause that you want to raise funds for, this is a great place for you to start now. Next on the list is going to be beginmoney.com. On this website, you can come as an individual and you ask for some money. If you can provide proof that you actually need this money, so you can list whatever you need money for, and the people will be here. And if they are interested in helping you out, they will. You can leave your PayPal link and you can get some free money now. It's not guaranteed that you are going to list anything here and the people are actually going to donate. It just depends on who sees your ad or listing, but it's still a great place if you're looking for money online. The next website is going to be Just Giving. Now, Just Giving is also somewhere that individuals can go and raise funds. For example, this family or person says, we are raising 10,000 euros to help grant our beautiful Prince Ava Maria's last wishes on this earth and make every second count. I think the goal here was 10,000 euros and they've gotten over it. So they've gone 102% of what they were asking for. This person, they have raised over 179,000 euros. So people are actually getting money from these websites. So if you have something again and you want to raise some money, you can start right here by Just Giving. Now, PayPal is also one of these websites where you can create a PayPal me link or a PayPal me. With this link, you can accept donations to your PayPal account. So for example, you could use it on this website. Like you see this person that wants help in avoiding eviction, they listed their PayPal me link right here. If you click on the link, it will take you to a PayPal page and you can use your credit card. PayPal me account, you can put it anywhere or you can give it to anyone and they can send you money. So if you don't have a PayPal me link, then you should definitely create one now. The next on the list is going to be gogetfunding.com. Again, this is another crowdfunding website, so you can come here and you can list whatever the cause is and you can raise funds. For example, this person wanted to raise funds for the medical expenses. If you click on here, you will see in the details, but they wanted $1,000 and they were able to get $1,000 from 13 people. This person wants medical aid as well. They were able to raise over $5,000. This person also wanted help in raising money for something to do with a medical and healing, and they were able to raise almost $2,000. This website has all fundraising categories here, so just about anything that you can think of. If you need funds for legal fees, if you just need funds for something personal, you can come to this website and log in. Next website, Indiegogo. Now here are some of the projects that people are raising funds for. Now this website seems to be geared more towards creating films and stuff like that, because you can see here most of the projects have something to do with filmmaking, whether it's movies or something else. But as you can see here, people are raising funds for movies. This particular project has raised over $500,000. This one has raised almost $3,000. This one has raised just over $2,000. So if you are creating a movie or some type of a film, then this is a great place to list your project and get funds. Now for this and all other websites, you can sign up if you have something that you need funds for. And also guys, if you're new to my channel, my name is Logan. On this channel, I talk about ways to make money online and everyday personal finance related. So if you like these videos and you like these types of topics, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Also be sure to subscribe, and when you subscribe, make sure you turn on all the notification bell, because that's the only way you will get all the updates when I upload. So these websites, if they are not available in your country, then you just try another one. Because these websites, they say no startup fees, no hidden fees. This is an individual charities. Some of these will require you to have businesses or you have a business plan, because it's geared for businesses. Some of them will be individuals. So if you're trying to raise money for yourself or personal goal, then you won't be able to use all these websites, but only some of them. Keep it in mind. Next on the list is Buy Me a Coffee. Now this is something that you can use, especially if you are a creator. So what you do is you can create your own Buy Me a Coffee / whatever your name is. And so if you are doing anything creative and you want to accept donations, you could post this Buy Me a Coffee link and get funds. Or you could put it anywhere and people can go there and pretty much just buy you a coffee in a form of giving you donations. You can start it and let's say they could buy you a coffee which would be $2 or $3. So basically, It's another way to raise funds, especially if you are a creator. So if you created something and it really helped someone, they just wanted to show you some appreciation, so they could buy you a coffee or 3 coffees or buy you 5 coffees. Then that would come in as a donation. And that's how you could raise some funds there now. Next on the list is going to be Fundable. Now, Fundable is where you can raise funds for your company. For example, these are some of the companies here that were able to raise funds or got funded by people. So if you want to get funded, you can find here opportunities. So like medical bills, powerful technology helping users to save millions on medical bills, they were able to get funded here. So if you have a business or a product and you're looking for funding, this is the website that you need to have on your list. Now, next on the list is going to be Fund My Travel. Now, as the name suggests, this is for traveling. So if you want to travel across the globe, Fund My Travel is here for you. You have always wanted to travel to the world, but you've never thought it was possible because you just don't see yourself having the amount of money required to do this as well. FundMyTravel.com used to be a travel fund website, but now it does not have to be travel only, because as you see here, that people are listing websites here that don't necessarily have to do with travel, but that's what the website was geared towards. So for example, this person says, medical mission in Vietnam. Now, this mission's goal is to improve access to quality health in Ho Chi Minh City. Let me hope that's the right pronunciation. There is need for medical ultrasound training and assistance improving women's health in Vietnam. There are very few medical missions that specifically ask for ultrasound and assistance training. So if you want to travel, you have some more money you need, a couple of $1,000 or more to go to your trips, then you could actually list your itinerary here and describe what you want, and then people would be able to give you that money. Next on the list, we have Kickstarter.com. Now, again, this one here, you can list your projects here and get funding. So as you are creating some sort of a project, you could use a website like this one. They've achieved 11,000% of what they wanted. So if you have some product and you want to get your product out there, but you just don't have the funds to do it, this is a great website to list on your project for now. The next website is Ulule. Hope I'm pronouncing it that correctly. Anyway, here you can also list projects again. As we can see, they have some projects here. I think this website is in the different languages. This seems to be Heroes, but here again, you can list projects and you can get funding. Besides that, we have Seed and Spark. Now, this is a crowdfunding website again. Success rate 82%. They have raised over 50 million and they have over 4,000 projects that were created here. So if you want, you can come and create your project here or list it here, and you can seek for funds. You can get free money from the kind people. Finally, we have GoFundMe. Now, GoFundMe is probably one of the earliest websites where you can go and raise funds in here. You can raise funds for just about anything. Usually, people raising funds here for like healthy related. For example, this person is raising funds for breast cancer survival. Here, this person, they are raising funds because someone needs cancer treatment, which is very expensive, and probably they don't have the money to afford it, so they could start a GoFundMe. Also, this person raised over $22,000 from 100 donors. These are just some websites that will have kind-hearted people that will be willing to literally give away free money. If you have a good enough cause and it's something that they are interested in, they will help you. So if you're interested in discovering more about this video, then be sure to comment down below and let me know if you've ever used any of these websites to get funding for any project, or if not, then you can use some of these websites and let me know how it goes. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out more videos helping you make money online and more. See you in the next video. Take care.